8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Group hug! Group hug! Group hug!
2026.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Gising-gising! Bagong taon! Today is New Year's Day 2026. This is our handa. Francine prepared this mango float and the real fruit salad. The real fruit salad.
Why'd you cover?
And Francine made the lasagna, cooked the lasagna, and she bought this one, and it's the same. It's like the same as mango float. So, Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Terry and Francine!
Happy New Year.
And a merry, prosperous years to come!
Woo, 2026.
Welcome 2026! Francine, what is your New Year's resolution?
To lose weight.
Oh, good for you. You can do that.
If I push myself hard enough.
I know you can do it, anak. And be strict in your exercise.
Yeah.
Kuya, what's your New Year's resolution?
Upload once a month.
Ay pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko. Nagbago man ang higos ng puso mo. Handang akong hamunin ang aking mundo. Pagkat tulong teri. Sha-la-la-la, every wall still shines. Every single that they're starting to sing so fine. The top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the
All tapos, no?